Hello everyone and welcome back to the Mario Decentralized channel. Today we are going to talk about Ethereum, Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies and trading in general. We can see here we had the biggest crash in the crypto history. Over $19 billion have been liquidated, plus more in market cap. We can see it here. The cryptocurrency market cap literally dropped from, I think it was 4 trillion down to 3.6 trillion. So let's check. We were at 4.3 trillion, dropped down to 3.6. So almost 800 billion wiped out from the market. We can see the fear and greed indicator is showing 31, which indicates fear. So it might be smart to add some more to our spot long-term positions. Like, I'm already looking for entry points. I think dip is not over yet though. We can see it here on the Ethereum chart. We are not oversold yet on the daily. So there might be another leg down before we go to the upside. And usually when we have these spikes, what the market does, it usually confirms them again. So we might see another dip down below here to $3,400 for Ethereum, and for Bitcoin probably down to the $102,000 that we just saw 1 day ago. Let's see. For now, I'm not opening any leverage positions. I'm still waiting on the sidelines. I'm definitely going to wait until we are going to go into the oversold zone on the daily. Now I'm going to play it much more safe, much more patient. It's very important that you have patience in the market. Don't run after trades. The trades will come to you. Just wait for them. And I'm waiting right now. I'm waiting for Bitcoin and Ethereum to get oversold on the RSI indicator. For now, let's see. I think the chance is very high that we're gonna go back to this area. Very, very, very high. Like, these kind of spikes happen, the market usually tests them again. So you need to be very, very careful. We can see, like, for example, we had here, we also had one of these spikes which spiked down below from 99k down to 78. Then we had a relief rally here, and then another spike even lower than here. So usually the market confirms this type of bottoms, so you need to be very, very careful right now. Use too high leverage. Always use a stop loss. This is the most important rule in trading. Use a stop loss and a take profit. Both of these are some of the most important skills in crypto. The biggest one is definitely taking profits. So many people don't take profits and they end up round tripping their holdings because crypto is so volatile. It goes up very fast and it goes down also very fast. And if you don't take profits, you might end up holding the bag. It's very important that you take profits. And the second most important skill, I would say, is using a stop loss, because most of the people, and even me included, it's quite hard to cut your losses. It's very hard when you see your positions going down and you know it was so much in the profit just a couple of hours ago. It's a very, very big psychological game there. So you need to be razor sharp in your decision making, and it's very, very hard doing that. We see so much volatility in the market. That's why just use a stop loss from the beginning. Like that, you don't have to worry. You basically just set your trade, you set your stop loss, you set your take profit, and you can basically go outside, enjoy your day, enjoy your life. Like that, you don't have to watch your position all the time. And even though most of the time, even if you're watching your position, you might not pull the trigger and cut your losses. That's very important to learn in crypto. Always use a stop loss. Now, what do I think will happen to Bitcoin right now? I still think Bitcoin will go to millions and millions of dollars in the future, so I'm not worrying so much about my spot holdings. For trades, I'm still waiting right now. Let's see. We could open a short trade right now, but I'm still waiting. For now, I'm waiting to see what will happen on the Monday open, and also the whole next week is very important for crypto. For now, I definitely think it's very likely, I would say a 70% chance that we are gonna hit this zone again. So we could basically already start making some entry targets here. Let's see on this, around this line, around $103,000. Let's see. And for Ethereum as well at 3,400. For now, I'm not desperate at all to open any trades. I'm patiently waiting for the right opportunities. Right now, you could basically, let's go over it. We need to trade also on the smaller time frame right now. Now, shorter trades are the way, and we can see here this is exactly what is happening. With a nice big recovery rally up to $4,000 for Ethereum, and after that, again, we are still moving downwards another 8%. So you need to be very, very careful with trades. Let's see. Now the big short move is already finished basically. So let's see. We could still take a trade here. Let's see how would I take the trade. Let's quickly see it here. Short position. I would do maybe a short position. You could do it from here, and I would use this as a stop loss, the 3,770, and I would do this one until the $3,400. Let's quickly zoom out a little bit so we can see it more clearly here. So this is a short opportunity right here at 3,430. I would take profits on this short, but right now I would probably open this short on around here at 733. Let's quickly move it a little bit. So I would open it around here, 3,730, and take profit here. This is a risk to reward ratio of 4.5. So quite nice. Let's see if it will play out or not. If you want to trade like you see me do here on the VX platform, you can grab up to $30,000 in bonuses in the description with my link. So we also having the WWFC competition going on right now. This is the World VX Futures Championship where you can win up to $1.5 million in prizes. So make sure you are registering for that as well. Join the decentralized team and let's trade and make gains together. That was it for today's video. Touch some grass and enjoy life. Don't forget to take profits. Bye bye.